Honorable Deputy Speaker Madam, Honorable Chief Minister साहब had asked कि अकबर साहब आप बोलना क्या चाह रहे हैं, तो उसलिए मैं बीच में माइक कट गया था। मैं यही कहना चाहता हूं मैडम, my only request or a demand to the Honorable Chair is that let us have a discussion on Hyderabad Central University. And my adjournment motion was about the atrocities on the students and the faculty member and the detention of the students and faculty member by the police. So what I wanted to demand is only that, sir, that I want the government to move a resolution in this house to call back the VC. Because of the VC, this is coming. And at the same time, I want to make a request to the government to kindly have an inquiry into the arrest of those students and faculty members. Open up the mess. Release the students who have been arrested and the faculty member. No further arrest should be made. This is what I wanted to make a request, because all that is happening is because of the VC. So my submission was this only. There's nothing else. We do not want any law and order problem in our university. SC/ST Act is already there. The police is showing enthusiasm in arresting the faculty and the students. Why aren't they arresting the VC? Book him in SC/ST Act. Or this house can move a resolution demanding or requesting the government of India to call back this VC so that this situation can end. This is what only I wanted to say.
Okay,
it is a very important issue. We need to have a discussion. I would be very thankful if the Honorable Chief Minister would have a discussion. Because, madam, the important thing is that people say the police has beaten the students. So I want to request the government to order an inquiry. It was not just the police, but it was the security of the university also beated them. On the way to the police station, they were beaten. They were beaten in the ambulance. Or the mess is closed over there. So why? I am a friendly party of the government. I am lending my support and will continue to lend the support. I do not want this government to get a bad name. Because I know this government is a protector of Dalits, this government is a protector of students, right? This government will give justice, I know this.
Please.
But the government of India is simply using the state government. I do not want the name of my chief minister, my government, which I am supporting, should get bad. This is what I wanted to make a demand. And nothing else, madam. So I hope that Honorable Chief Minister Saab would understand what I really mean to say and what I want. I want an action to be taken against those officers who have beaten very badly to the students. That's it.
As a leader of the house, I have a right to intervene. When you are trying to interpret something, दलित का तौहीन है, उसमें मुझे इंटरफेयर करना पड़ता है. इसीलिए I only wanted to request you.
Please.
I was not stopping you. I wanted to request you. आप चाहते क्या है? आपका माइक कट नहीं करना था. मैं इतना ही जानना चाह रहा था कि आप चाहते क्या है. आप आपके मेंबर बुला लीजिए ना.